live.
Huh?
We're live.
So, basically, guys, my name is Harris. How come we can't stand up and fight for ourselves, for our rights, for our votes, for the right to bear arms?
All right, cut it. He a little later. Let's go sneak up on him.
What about the thing? You were supposed to send me something, bro, a while back. Right?
It's your boy.
What the?
Jihadi, no. Jihadi, no.
You can't fool.
You can't. And we got too quiet for real.
You know what I'm saying?
Jihadi, no, bro. Anyway,
What do you have to say?
Like I said.
No, something else.
Okay, look.
See what his mind contains.
I'm here to be the best person. You could be the better person. I'm finna be the best hooper of all time.
Oh God.
That's different.
That's even more terror. That's
Okay, what about this? What about this? I love cars and girls.
That's so bad.
What should I say?
Let's see what your mind contains.
Physics.
Physics.
Such thing as normal force.
Okay.
Standing on an incline. Normal force is applied on any object.
Show us. Puts the phone down.
The force that's being applied on this phone on top of this surface is normal force, which won't let this phone pass through the car itself. If there was no normal force, this phone would be directly through this. I know it's a subject.
Oh, it's actually nice. See, that's what I like to hear.
Wait.
You see it?
I see.
Oh, but the camera can't get it. I can't zoom in. Oh, it's gone.
You gotta wait till they come here, bro. Like they
We're
did last
birds.
time.
Fly.
My name's Miles Morales.
I said fly.
I gotta warm up.
What exactly are you doing?
I don't know.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Bro, where's my mask?
Beep.